In a universal time, players are immersed in a dynamic world filled with stands, quests, and battles, all drawn from popular anime and manga series. Okay, so navigating this vast universe can be challenging, so having a guide is invaluable for players aiming to make the most of their experience. A solid guide helps new players experience and experienced players alike to understand the core mechanics and maximize their potential in the game. The first step in AUT is to understand stands, which are central to gameplay. Each stand has unique abilities, and choosing the right one for your playstyle is key. Players should focus on unlocking powerful stands through quests and challenges. Some stands are rarer than others and offer more advantages, so it's important to know which ones to aim for. All right? Now, farming and questing are essential for progression in AUT. Completing quests rewards players with it rewards players with in-game currency, items, and experience. Players should focus on grinding these quests while also keeping an eye out for rare items and stands. All right, so PvP combat is another major aspect of the game. Players can engage in battles with others using their stands to outsmart and overpower opponents. Mastering different stands and abilities and stats can make a huge difference in these encounters.